Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Blossom and Brook Preschool for another week of learning. Yay, I'm so glad you're back. Thank you for joining us. So, a new week means a new letter. Yes, you guys are getting right on this routine, aren't you? So, this one we have, who can tell me what letter it is? This is the letter H. H. So we're going to go straight down 2 times and connect in the middle. So 1, 2, 3. Let's read our poem. Start at the top, go straight down. 1, 2. Slide to the right in the middle to connect and stop, stop, stop. 1, 2, 3. Our letter H says ha, 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 ha. Like hungry horse, hay, hen in a hat. Hooray, hooray. Hungry. Who's hungry? There's another word that starts with H. Miss Heather also starts with H. Heather. Yes. So there is a fun little animal that starts with an H. And it is called a hippo, or short for hippopotamus. There's a song at Christmas. It says, I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only a hippopotamus will do. And she sings this delightful little song about wanting a hippopotamus for Christmas and why her parents won't let her have one. So I have a silly little book called The Hippos Go Berserk. It's written and illustrated by one of my favorite authors, Sandra Boynton. And she has some quite comical illustrations. But you learn a lot from just a few words. One hippo, all alone. Calls 2 hippos on the phone. 3 hippos at the door. Bring along another 4. We have 3 at the door. 1, 2, 3. And then we have 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 hippos come overdressed. Here they are, all in their fancy vests. 6 hippos show up with a guest. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, there were 2. There 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a guest. A monster, yeah. 7 hippos arrive in a sack. There's a sack, and it opens up. It has 7 hippos inside of it. 8 hippos sneak in the back with a balloon. This is getting to be quite the party, isn't it? 9 hippos come to work. Well, of course, we're going to have a big party with all those hippos. You need somebody to clean up, huh? So they're in their uniforms, ready to work. All the hippos go berserk. Here they are. Look at them having a grand old party. All the hippos, all through the night, hippos play with great delight. But at the hippo break of day, the hippos all must go away. Here they are having a party. 9 hippos and a beast join 8 hippos riding east. While 7 hippos moving west leave 6 hippos quite distressed. And 5 hippos then set forth with 4 hippos headed north. North in a helicopter, huh? Helicopter, that's a great H word. 3 hippos say good day. The last 2 hippos on their way. 1 hippo alone once more misses the other 44. I like this one because we practiced our counting. We went all the way to 10 and then back again. It's a fun little story. Yes, it is. Okay, so Miss Heather has another worksheet this week. We're going to find and color or circle the pictures that start with letter H. I have my orange marker. Why? It is our color this week. Orange, yay, good job. Oh, you guys are so good getting used to our routine. So in my first box, I have hedgehogs and I have crabs. Which one starts with a sound? Hedgehogs. So let's circle or color all of the hedgehogs. How many orange circles do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So over here, we're going to write our 5. All right, we have a house and a boy. House, that's right. So let me circle my houses. Did I get all of them? No, I did not. Oh, you are right, I did not. Okay, let us count our circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start at the top. Move to the right. Almost like a G. All right, for our last one. I don't think we have any that start with an H. Oh, yes. We have hermit crabs and shells. So hermit crab is the one that starts with an H. And they look like that. 1, 2, 3. 3. 5, 6, 3 should be your numbers down the side. So, if orange is our color this week and H is our letter this week, what are we missing? We are missing a shape. Yes, what do I have here? An orange square. That's right. Squares are so much fun because their sides are all the same length. None are shorter and none are longer. All the same. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides on our square. That is all I have for you today. I thank you so much for joining us. And while you are away from me, why don't you think of some H words so that next time when you come, you can show me all your H words. You have a great day. Bye-bye.